Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to change Safari background on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just open up your Safari app. Once you're there at the start page, so make sure you're on the start page, just tap on edit right here. And here at the very bottom, you will see the background image. So simply tap on that. As you can see, there will be a ton of images that you could pick from. You could also tap on the plus icon here on the left side to add an image from your photos. But for this video, we're just going to pick from the default images right here. So let's say I want to pick this image. Once we go back at Safari, as you can see, it has now changed. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.